want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. I'll be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. It's strawberry season. Today we will be making miniature strawberry tarts in a pretzel crust. And then we'll pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, who's going to share some gardening tips. So let's get started. There are 3 components to these miniature tarts. The first is our pretzel crust with butter and sugar, a cream cheese filling, and then our strawberry topping. To make your crust, put the pretzels in a food processor and crush them finely. You want to yield 1 1/4 cups of finely ground pretzels. You then want to melt 1 stick of unsalted butter. Here's a great trick to always having soft brown sugar. Keep marshmallows in the bag. 1/4 cup of packed sugar goes into the crust. And now the melted butter, and mix it really well until the crust resembles wet sand. It's important to spray the wells of your muffin tin with non-stick spray. Spoon out the crust mixture and pack each well very, very tightly. Make sure you come up well along the sides. Take the time to do this correctly. Bake them in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Next is our cream cheese filling. 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 2 to 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all really well. Ooh, our crusts are ready. Let's let them cool thoroughly. Now for the topping. Hull and cut your strawberries. Divide the strawberries into 2 bowls, one of them containing about 3/4 of a cup that we're going to mash. You can use a potato masher or a fork to do this, and you want to yield about a 1/2 cup of mashed strawberries. In a saucepan, mix together a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar and 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add your water and add your mashed strawberries and bring everything to a low boil. It's going to thicken very quickly. Once it's nice and thick, remove from the heat, add in your other strawberries, transfer to a bowl and let it cool. With the help of a paring knife, very carefully remove your crusts from your muffin tin. Then fill the bottom of each with your cream cheese filling, and then very carefully add your strawberry topping. Chill your tarts thoroughly for at least 3 hours in the refrigerator.
Hi, welcome to the garden. I'm Adrienne, and today we're going to be doing tips, tasks, and tricks. When your basil starts to bloom, you need to clip off those flower stalks. The energy of the plant will go back into making more leaves, and your plant will be much bushier and longer lasting. Deadheading dahlias is a little tricky because the deadheads look so much like the buds. But it's worth it, because if you remove the deadheads, that will encourage new blooms to flourish all summer long.